Fort Pierce, Florida, and sure, if you don't live in Florida, you don't know where Fort Pierce is. It is actually, it's about an hour north of West Palm Beach. So there's a barbecue festival down there. I'm heading that way. It's today and tomorrow, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be a better weekend this weekend than last weekend. It's just it's gonna rain a little bit both days, and it's gonna be hot. Because even though it's September, it's Florida. So we have about, I don't know, 6 weeks before it starts to cool off. Starts to cool off. Doesn't mean it does cool off, it just means it starts to cool off. But that's Florida for you. I know. It's gonna be hot, but I'm wearing a jacket. That's because right now I have my AC in my car on and I feel cold, but if I turn the AC off, I'm too hot. So you gotta compromise. I can't explain it. It's a Florida thing. So all right, stay tuned. There will be more to this video coming up. Good morning. Well, here we are. It's Fort Pierce. It's 9:30 in the morning. 84 degrees, and it's hot already. I mean, if y'all know about anything in Florida, you know it's humid. Humidity here is bad. It's just bad. But I can't flip my phone around for some reason, so we'll be right back. Here we are, we're at the festival. As you can see, they have RVs parked here. It's a marina, actually. And we're gonna head in and head to my tent because I gotta finish setting it up. I mean, the tent is up, but nothing else is up. Because the way it works is you gotta unload everything, set up what you can, leave it there, and then go park and come back and finish. So, but yeah, this is Fort Pierce, Florida. That's where we are. I'll come back when I'm at the tent. So yeah, this is what it's like before a festival opens. You got vendors everywhere. People are parking, they're coming, they're going, they're pulling in. Everybody's trying to set up. And that's still life. That's what we do. So anyways, yeah. As you can see, everybody's setting up. And, but we're not that far from the water. I'm gonna walk down there and give you guys a view of Fort Pierce. Now that's interesting. I like it. It is a barbecue festival, so there's going to be tons of barbecue here. So yeah, there's the water. That's how close we are. A short walk from the festival to the water with the marina and all the boats and everything. Hey everybody, here is your week 2 update from Fort Pierce, Florida. Once again, I'm back home, and yeah, this weekend did not go well. It was horrendous. It was very, very, very hot, and there wasn't hardly any kids there. Here's some insight. When you go to do an event, you should make 10 times whatever your vendor fee is. That's what you should profit. And I didn't even make my vendor fee. That's how bad it was. But you live, you learn. It's okay. I have an event this Friday, and then the last week in September, I will be going to Fort Walton Beach, Florida. So look forward to that, because that's going to be a lot of fun. Also, I wanted to mention that I know in my last video that I said I was going to try to get some video of me face painting kids and stuff, and I was not able to do that. Also, here's an update on FedEx. So I haven't actually resigned. For those of you who have never worked for that company, you can move up and down in that company as much as you like. Okay, in order to move up, every time you want a different position, you actually have to apply for it, even if that's going from a part-time package handler to a full-time package handler. You have to apply for it. Okay, the only time you don't have to apply for something is when you step down. So currently, my current, right this second, title at FedEx is a senior operations admin, and I process hazmats. Now, I know that sounds dangerous and this, that, and the other, but really it's not that bad. It's mostly like bleach and chlorine and degreasers, and every now and then you get some other stuff. But most of the time, that's what it is. And I am going to step down to an occasional package handler because I don't know what's about to happen at the end of this month. Fingers crossed, after the Northwest Florida Fair, I will be able to just say, I'm done. Here's my resignation. Thank you. And move forward with other events. Like I said, I have 4 big events coming up, one of which is the Northwest Florida Fair. The second one is in November. That is the Space Coast State Fair. January is the Charlotte County Fair. That is down in Sarasota. And in March, I have to go to the Central Florida Fair, which is in Orlando. So if anybody here is in Florida, and you want to come say hi, and that you've seen my channel and say hi, that would be awesome. You just have to find me, because I won't know where I'm at until I actually get there. So that would be awesome. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.